Hi, Tait here, and welcome back to another video. Today I am drawing an Animal Crossing character, someone's Mia. The character's name is Meerkat of Town Otakunus. I hope I said that correctly. The dream address to the town will be in the description if you play Animal Crossing and would like to check it out. So, yeah. Anyway, I want to quickly talk about the video. Sorry I'm a day late. I got really sleepy yesterday when I put aside time to edit the video, and I had to go for a long drive, and I thought I'd be better off napping so that I'm not sleepy while driving and getting this video out late, rather than working and getting sleepy while driving and something bad possibly happening. So there's that. And the second thing about this video, I'm sorry the video is sort of laggy. It would have been the same last week with the Chibi Night. I've been using DU recorder on my iPad because the built-in screen recorder doesn't like to work, but I noticed that it does this sort of laggy thing with the recordings, so I am investigating other recording apps at this point. If you have any suggestions, please comment below, because yeah, I would like being able to record from my iPad, because I much prefer drawing on my iPad right now than my computer, because I don't have to sit at my computer. I can sit anywhere and draw, like on the couch, in bed, and the fact that I am at Dad's house a lot, so I can draw there. I finished this drawing like before last week's video even came out, so, and then I've done I'm almost finished another drawing, and I have a really awesome commission which I'm excited to draw. It's going to probably be my video next week, but I'm so excited to share. It's like a pole dancing chibi, and it's going to be amazing. So yeah, I hope so. It's actually really hard doing it in chibi proportions. Sorry, it's getting hard for me to talk. My nose is getting sort of blocked. I'm still sick. Even though it's been over a week, I am still sick. Also, did you enjoy my sister and her friend doing the voiceover last week? I thought it was so adorable. It made me all happy just watching it. Yeah, I feel like I've got so much things to say, but I keep forgetting them. Yeah, giveaway is still open for another week, and then after that I'll probably try and actually do some of the things that I've been wanting to do, like do my webcam in videos, and I'm going to make a video addressing all the feedback that I've gotten. It's sort of funny, some of the feedback is just like, do voiceovers for your videos, and I'm like, sitting here like, do you watch my videos? I do voiceovers for all of them pretty much. But a lot of the feedback has actually been useful and really good, so yeah, I'm looking forward to discussing that. I won't be saying anyone's names when I do discuss it, so you're fine, you will remain anonymous. But yeah, also for the giveaway, when it's announced, I'm thinking of doing a live stream here on YouTube rather than Twitch to like do some art and talk with you guys, and then announce the giveaway winner at the end of the stream. So that's my plans. I'll probably schedule it when I figure out what time it's going to be. And yeah, I'm excited for that live stream. It's been so long since I've streamed. Like, I don't even know the last time I streamed at this point. I stream on Twitch rather than YouTube. It's just so hard because I'm not home all the time. But I'll be home just a tiny itty bit more now. Less but more at the same time. My boyfriend broke up with me, so I have my Saturdays back, so now I'm more likely to stream, I feel, because I don't just have my one day a week at home, I have two, and I'm going to be more productive. Speaking of productivity, not really, but like, I joined gym yesterday. It's been, like, I used to go to gym a while ago, but then I had to cancel due to money, but I've been wanting to get back into gym, so I've joined gym, and I'm going right after I do this voiceover, which I am doing at 11:30 p.m. at night. I got home from like work and fell straight asleep, and now I'm gonna be up half the night. So yeah, I'm gonna go to gym. I'd rather go at night anyway, less chance of people being there, and I don't know, the thought of people being there sort of makes me feel anxious. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I need to like do strength stuff, but I don't know what to do. I haven't got like a program made for me yet. That's happening on Monday. So I'll probably just do some cardio and some stretching, because I've set my daily goals for this month to stretch every day, and that's just one of my goals anyway. One of my goals was to join gym, which I did. What are my other goals? I don't know, my book's not in front of me. And I'm trying to stick to my bullet journal. Yeah. Do you want me to do a video on my bullet journal perhaps one day? Maybe next month I'll try and make it look all extra pretty and stuff and do a video of it. I'm really bad at keeping up with it now. But I'm not bad. It used to really motivate me to do stuff, but that's sort of lacking now. But I'll get there again. I need to be more productive with everything I do. My iPad has definitely helped with more drawing, and I've already stretched every day this month, even though it's only the 4th of September. That's still better than what I have been previously. But yeah, I'm trying to think what to say. I'm just going to end up repeating myself from previous videos. Actually, I'll talk about the art a little bit now that I'm almost there. I'm almost at the hair. I've started drawing my fringes slightly differently, which I feel like gives it just that slight bit more form, and I really like how the last 2 drawings have turned out with the hair. I've also been colouring it differently. I've been using the watercolour brush and sort of blurring it, which usually I don't do, but I can't remember how I used to draw hair anymore. I feel like my style has just changed from being on the iPad a little bit. Although I will say doing line art on the iPad is harder than on like my graphics tablet. I think because I'm looking at it, I'm used to going slower while looking, while on my graphics tablet I'm used to doing it really fast just to get the smooth line, and I still need to do that on my iPad, but I just forget. And I don't know, it's just harder. It's harder, but I enjoy it more as well. It's quicker. I've also become a lot less like of a perfectionist with it. My nose is playing up again. It's getting hard to talk again. But yeah, I'm being less of a perfectionist, I've found, which is good, because like if you dwell on the little details too much with this sort of stuff, you don't see them in a way. Like there's some pointless little things. I just hit my blinds with my elbow. Yeah, I don't know what else to say at this point. My nose is making it hard to talk, so I think I'm going to leave the voice over here for now. Be sure to go check out more of my videos, and especially the giveaway video, because, you know, Copics. Who doesn't want free Copic markers and free art? And yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!